Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize a Square card payment using bank authorization step by step clearly. To authorize a Square card payment using bank authorization, start by logging into your Square account. Navigate to the Transactions section in your dashboard. Locate the transaction you wish to authorize. Select the transaction to view its details. Click on the Authorize button. Choose the bank authorization option for payment verification. Enter the required bank details. Ensure that the account name and number are correctly input. Review the amount to be authorized for payment. Confirm that all details are accurate. Click Submit to proceed with the authorization. Wait for the authorization confirmation to appear. Check your email for a notification of the successful authorization. If you encounter any issues, ensure your bank information is correct. Repeat the authorization process if necessary. Once authorized, proceed with the transaction as needed. Keep a record of the authorization for your financial records. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.